Welcome to my channel. I'm Jack Lawrence, award-winning and best-selling mystery writer. If you don't know me, then you don't know my previous career. I was a therapist. If you don't know me, in my previous career, I was a therapist. I've worked in addiction, I've worked in corrections, and I've worked in private practice. So I've had a lot of experience working with people, couples, families, all sorts of different dynamics and situations in their lives. And one thing that I learned transitioning from being a therapist to being a writer is the better you know people, the better you can write. So why should you follow this channel and subscribe? Well, if you write fantasy, romantasy, horror, mystery, thriller, crime, this channel is going to bring you all the tricks of the trade, so to speak, that I've learned through 6 years of clinical practice in various settings, and how to incorporate them into your writing to create more believable characters, more relatable stories, and hopefully build a tighter fan base. Some of the things we're going to talk about is how couples actually argue, how people process and handle emotions, trauma, how to write and show psychological diagnosis accurately and realistically. Additionally, how people process feelings, the importance of showing versus telling, manipulation, narcissism, and additionally how I used what I know from psychology and therapy to get myself into bookstores, to create a loyal following, and to grab readers from the very first page and build a writing business to where I do mostly just writing now. So like, subscribe, and that way you'll stay up to date on all these tips and tricks and hopefully take your writing journey to the next level.